Centrifugal pump. We must have come across this term in our day-to-day life. So, by this video, we'll be learning something more about centrifugal pump. So, what do you mean by centrifugal pump? Centrifugal pump is a device which used to lift water from low head to higher head, and it is basically used in industries and for household purposes. And what is the principle behind this? It works on the basic principle of centrifugal force. Now let's start with the construction. The construction of centrifugal pump. It is been divided into components. Number 1, the stationary component, and the number 2, rotating component. The stationary component has 3 parts: A, casing, B, suction pipe, and C, delivery pipe. Casing. It is an airtight passage surrounding the impeller. It is designed in such a way that kinetic energy of the water discharged at the outlet of the impeller is converted into pressure energy before the water leaves the casing. Suction pipe. A pipe whose one end is connected to the inlet of the pump and the other is to the lower reservoir. Delivery pipe. A pipe whose one end is connected to the outlet of the pump and the other is to the overhead tank. Number 2. The rotating component. It mainly consists of the impeller. Impeller is a rotating part that provides the centrifugal acceleration to the fluid.
Principle of centrifugal pump. As we mentioned earlier, centrifugal pump works on the principle of centrifugal force. Now consider an example. When you swing a bucket of water around over your head, you will find that as you increase the speed, the bucket is pulled harder against your arm. This pull on your arm is the centrifugal force. Now if the speed is fast enough, then the water will remain on the bucket. A small hole on the bottom of the bucket, the water throws a stream at a distance. The water travels the distance is proportional to the centrifugal force. Now the same force that kept water inside the bucket is how the centrifugal pump works. The pump consists of an impeller inside the casing. Water enters into the casing through a suction pipe into the eye of the impeller. Now due to the rotation of this impeller, kinetic energy gets generated. This kinetic energy then converted into the pressure energy according to the Bernoulli's principle. And because of this pressure energy, water from the pump is entered into the overhead tank through the delivery pipe. This is how our centrifugal pump works.
Now let's discuss some advantages and disadvantages of centrifugal pump. Now first start with the advantages of centrifugal pump. It consists of simple operation, low cost and maintenance, quiet operations, and wide range of pressure, flow and capacities. Here are some disadvantages of centrifugal pump. High viscous liquids are not handled well. Centrifugal pumps usually don't have the capabilities of handling high pressure applications in comparison to other types of pumps, that is regenerative turbines. In general, centrifugal pumps cannot deliver high pressure without changes in design and are not suitable for high pressure delivery at low volumes except the multi-stage pumps.